Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will practice English together. Please speak with me. Don't just listen. So our topic is how was your day? Let's begin. My day was good. I woke up early in the morning. I washed my face and prayed. Then I planned my day. In the morning, I studied for some time. I learned new things today. It was not easy, but I tried my best. In the afternoon, I feel little tired, so I took some rest. After that, I continued my work. In the evening, I watched some videos in English. I also practiced speaking English. I made some mistakes, but that's okay. At night, I am feeling calm and thankful. Today was a productive day for me. Now it's your turn. You can pause the video and speak. Remember, every day does not have to be perfect. Just try to be a little better than yesterday. Now, tell me in the comments, how was your day? If you like this kind of simple English practice, please like the video and subscribe the channel. And let's go together. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you in the next video.